This right here is Nature's Vitamins. Let's make some boiled eggs. Shout out to Kylo because he actually reminded me. Oh my. I think that's good. Nature has what we need. If you're trying to lose weight, get on the berries. Dessert time. All right, it is 7:30 in the morning, and one of my favorite things to do is prep dinner in the morning because it just makes it way easier for later. This chicken is still frozen, but it's defrosted enough where I can separate it because I had it in the fridge overnight. So we're just gonna start seasoning it and let it sit out so it defrosts. I'm not going to be able to like mix it up properly as much as I would like to, obviously, because it's still frozen, but that's okay. I'm just gonna put all of the seasonings and the broth and everything in one, so that's just already done. And then as it defrosts over the next 2-3 hours on the counter, then I can mix it all up. Chicken broth. Roasted chicken is like one of my favorite things to make because I don't need to keep an eye on it. I can just pop it in the oven. I feel like I need to get into crock pot chicken in my Instant Pot. I'm gonna leave a little less liquid than I want because once this defrosts, there's gonna be some water, which I would add water to this anyways. So that's perfect. Garlic. Good amount of that. This right here is the secret sauce.
Guys,
It's your blue powder?
We can just make a spaghetti with show you.
Oh yes, and can you say blue spirulina?
Blue spirulina.
Oh, good job.
That
Some
is-
Lowry's.
So Lowry's, ooh, I like Lowry's.
You know what Lowry's is? Lowry's is seasoned salt. I'm gonna put some Portuguese red pepper paste. They actually don't sell this in Tennessee. At least that I haven't been able to find. My family brought this from Canada. Luckily when Jessica drove, she brought me 2 of these. So I'm just gonna do 1 spoon. I always like to add pats of butter to my chicken. I'm just gonna cut it up and disperse
Whoa,
it.
that's citric acid.
Oh, the citric acid. Black pepper.
Can I help you?
Sure you can.
Okay.
I need onion powder and I also need paprika and some garlic powder. Don't let it touch the raw chicken, okay? Keep it up high. Good job. Can you put some onion?
This
Good
is
job.
helpful.
You could put a bit more. Okay, oh my. I think that's good. Mixed herbs. Shake, shake, shake. You know what? Let me open it more.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, so do the big part, yeah. Don't let it touch the, oh my Lanta, Kylo. Jeez
Oh my
Louise.
Lanta.
Jeez Louise. Mommy already put a lot of minced garlic. This is gonna be garlic chicken pretty much. With some paprika. And that's it, I think we're good now. We have to let it defrost, the chicken is frozen. All right, y'all, I am able to get a good workout in. I just feel like there's nothing better than getting a good workout in the comfort of your own home and the convenience of your own home. So come with me, we're gonna be working out with a vibration plate today because I have been hearing so much about how good vibration plates are for your workout. Apparently when you work out on a vibration plate, it recruits 95% of your muscle fibers, whereas when you just do the regular workout without the vibration plate, it's only recruiting 45% of your muscle fibers. So I've been loving it so far, so come with me to do a little at-home workout. The first thing I like to do is literally just stand on it. This is incredible for your lymphatic drainage. If you struggle with just feeling puffy and bloated, this is amazing. You're literally draining your entire lymphatic system. It's also incredible for relaxing your muscles. I don't know if you guys can relate to this, but sometimes my body just feels tense. And it's like no matter how much you stretch, stretching helps, but it doesn't fully get rid of it. This just helps your body feel like loose and limber and relaxes all your muscles, drains your lymphatic system, makes you feel so light and good. I mean, look at my booty jiggling, y'all. Like, it is really relaxing all of your muscles, all over your entire body. Y'all, that Marek curved vibration plate is everything. My body just feels so good and relaxed. I have been struggling for a while with my body just feeling tense, and it's like no matter how much I stretch, I just still don't feel like light and ready to go, and I feel so good after that vibration plate, y'all. The lymphatic drainage is unreal. Like, I mean, you saw it vibrating my entire body, okay? It's also incredible for your blood circulation, but not to mention, I'm burning twice as much fat throughout my workout by using the vibration plate. So I'm burning twice as much fat. It's incredible incredible for weight loss. And I love that on the little monitor, it shows real-time calorie tracking. So you can actually see how much calories you are burning. It makes an incredible gift for the wellness or fitness lover on your Christmas list this year, or buy it for yourself, okay? I mean, we deserve Christmas presents too. It's affordable. It has such a sleek, compact design. I absolutely love that it's pretty easy to pick up. It's not something that's super huge and bulky. Also, for those of you who work from home and sit at a desk on your laptop or computer a lot, I have been loving using the Marique vibration plate while I am sitting down doing work on my laptop, because I don't know about y'all, but after about an hour of sitting down, my legs just feel like, I mean, it feels like I haven't moved, and they just get tense. And then I feel like I need to literally just move my body. And that helps so much with that lymphatic drainage and blood circulation for your legs if you have sort of a sit down job like I do. You can also use it while you're sitting down watching the TV to really help relax your muscles. It has 10 different speed adjustments, and I also love that it is very quiet. It is not loud at all. It comes with a remote, so it's super easy to just switch on and switch to different settings. This is the perfect gift for the wellness or fitness lover on your Christmas list this holiday season. You can also use my code Macedo to get 10% off. I'm gonna leave my link in the description box. Okay, so I skipped my protein in my matcha this morning. Y'all know I religiously drink protein matcha every morning. I skipped the protein powder because I had a beef stick on my way to drop Kylo off to school, and then I think I'm gonna have a boiled egg this morning. So we're switching it up a little bit. Boiled egg and beef stick. That's gonna be really high protein for a decent amount of calories. An egg is about 70 calories for 6 grams of protein. The beef stick is about 45 for 5 grams, I think? 5 grams of protein. So I feel like that's pretty good. That is why I love protein powder though, because with my protein powder, I get like I think I get, for a 90 calorie portion, I get about 13 grams of protein. So I get slightly more protein having my protein powder for less calories than I do with, you know, what I did today, the bacon and the egg. But you can't just think about protein. Think about how many nutrients are in an egg, especially the yolk. There's choline. There's just so many vitamins and minerals in eggs itself. So I want to make sure I'm kind of keeping things balanced, because I kind of noticed ever since I've been doing my protein matcha, I don't really have eggs as much anymore, because eggs is kind of not a food that I have for lunch or breakfast, right? So I kind of haven't really been eating it that much anymore. So my little option sometimes is going to be having an egg as a snack, or also just having it in the morning instead of the protein powder, but it can also work as a snack. I mean, it's only 70 calories and you're eating 6 grams of protein and a bunch of vitamins and minerals. So let's make some boiled eggs. Shout out to Kylo because he actually reminded me. My kitchen's a little bit of a mess right now, y'all. He actually reminded me this morning. He was like, or sorry, not this morning, the other day. He was like, Mommy, can we make boiled eggs? And I was like, that's random, but okay, why not? So we had some boiled eggs together, and he just reminded me of just like what a staple boiled eggs are, especially if you're trying to be healthy, lose weight, or like meal prep. I mean, let's make a bunch of boiled eggs right now and just pop it in the fridge, and it'll last a couple days. And we'll have a high protein snack or breakfast ready to go. I like to fill my pot with water that's already hot. I have been filming all day, so I'm just gonna have a little snacky snack. I love berries when I'm on a calorie deficit, and when I'm not, obviously, but they are the best fruit in the world when you're on a deficit because they're so low in calorie and they're very high fiber, and they taste like nature's little sour candies. Well, I would say raspberries are like kind of sour, but blackberries, if you wait until they're a little soft, so they're at that perfect ripeness, they're so mild and sweet. I love them. And these things never last long in my house. Like Kylo loves them, and every time he has a play date and I put these out for the kids, they're gone in seconds, okay? These things are very in high demand and they're so healthy. This right here is Nature's vitamins, okay? Everything you need to have your body feeling good, keep your belly full for low calories and a deficit, right here. Fiber, vitamins. I think sometimes we forget that nature has what we need, okay? I don't know why I'm preaching right now, but this is just a thought I'm having in my head. Because a lot of the times we'll be very consistent with taking our vitamins. And when I say we, I mean me. I'll be very consistent with taking my vitamins, but sometimes I forget, like, this is what you need, baby. So this is your little reminder. If you're trying to lose weight, get on the berries, okay? They're very low calorie, high fiber, and they will keep you satiated and keep you feeling fuller longer and stop you from having cravings. So yesterday at Publix, I randomly came across this and I feel like the price was not bad. $5.99 and there was a big bag, and I'm only gonna use this, so it's gonna be 2 servings. Obviously, it's a little pricier than it would be if I bought these veggies individually, but I don't know, it's just convenient, right? And I feel like there's just days when you need it. And I like that it kind of includes veggies I wouldn't normally buy. Like we have squash, zucchini, I don't normally buy that, mushrooms. So it's kind of nice just to mix it up, and I like that it's already done for me. So I'm just gonna season it up and pop it in the air fryer. Oil, some black pepper. Yeah, baby? Some garlic powder and some onion powder. And this is what that chicken is looking like. It's been about 3.5 hours. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. It's almost 11 and we're getting hungry. So this will kind of stay in the oven for about 45 minutes.
I'm getting
around 12. You're getting hungry too. I like putting a pat of butter on each. And then once it melts, I'll kind of spread it around and keep taking the marinade or the broth and just putting it on top of the chicken. It's done. The chicken looks so good. Ideally I would have got it more browned, but we are so hungry. So I also threw in some potatoes because Kylo loves potatoes. All right, I just put Kylo to bed. It is 7:03 to be exact, and it is dessert time. Y'all know I'm the dessert queen, okay? Listen, just because I am losing weight doesn't mean I'm gonna give up my little sweet tooth. I love to save calories at the end of the night for a cookie or ice cream or some sort of chocolate. Like I very much follow that 80-20. As long as 80% of my day I have been eating healthy foods to fuel my body, I'm gonna save a little 20% for some pleasure, okay? And that's how I keep things balanced. And people ask me all the time, how do I stay consistent? And this is how, this right here, okay? Because the only way your girl's gonna stay consistent is if things are fun and I can eat food that I love. Even things that are not necessarily that healthy for you. It's 20% of your day, it's fine. It's actually probably more like 10 or 15% of my day if you really calculate it. Anyways, I'm gonna go watch Secret Lives of Mormon Wives? Secret Lives of Mormon Wives. I'm tired, y'all. They just came out with season 3 and it is fire. So I'm gonna go watch that and then go to bed after. Lately I've been falling asleep on the couch by like 9. I'm an old grandma now. By the way, how cute are these PJs? So cozy. I'm gonna link some cute Christmas PJs down below for you guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. I also want to give you guys a quick reminder that you can schedule your visit with MIDI Health so you can actually have extensive labs done to truly see and understand how your body is feeling. So I will leave that link down below for you guys. And yeah, good night, y'all.